Everybody, what we have today? We have a new toy for real fans of aquariums. Let me open it for you. A little bit noisy, however. So we have to manage our aqua paradise, aqua life on the best possible level. This is why everyone, it is mandatory, have to operate device to get that beauty properly treated and with the less possible waste collected on the level, or let's say on the bottom level near gravel. This is design of the cleaning device which I was looking for a few months. The idea is, number one, it's a transparency. That means that you as an operator, as an user, as a fan of such cleaning works can easily see what exactly waste or some sort of a debris you are collecting from the soil, from the gravel. This is first one. Second one, the hose itself. It's not ribbed one. It is a quite nice and quite stiffy PVC hose, which also transparent, not a colored, not a blue one, not a white one. So we can definitely see if it is really effective, the cleaning itself. The valve on outlet, it's quite nice option to operate, just in order to, let's say, change the basket every time you have a full, and not to start cleaning once again every time you change it the basket. However, my practical experience, we will check it in the future, definitely you need a hand number 3 just in order to operate the suction head, the hose itself, and simultaneously to shut off or let's say open the hose. Let's see, we will see it in the future. The most important, the suction head. As taller you have it, as more effective the gravel cleaning you can arrange. This is not so far the best shape, the best design, because I personally prefer to have some sort of a triangle shape, which allows me to go exactly into the corners of the aquarium. However, it is still so far quite nice option to have. So we have our suction prop. We can call it suction prop. In our case, we have our, let's say, connecting union. It is just assembled once, so we tight it. We should understand basically all of this device normally operated from top, so it has to be rigged as much as possible, exactly like in our case, because this is the most loaded, and simultaneously this is exactly the weakest point, why time to time that device has to be replaced or purchase it again, either one time in a month or one time in a year, depends on weight or size of gravel and simultaneously height of the aquarium. I have also different type of suction heads. I can't tell you exactly basic super advantages or super disadvantages. However, we will test everything with our big fish aquarium, and also the most sensitive one, to use the same device for our shrimps environment. And of course, everything related to the non-return valves to operate, it is always built in inside. And last one, that size of strainer which is built into the suction head should be enough for us first to keep cleaning works quite fast, because as faster water is moving out, as more debris and waste we can expect it can be lifted from the soil, and simultaneously we cannot allow all of the let's say solids or some sort of large, let's say, waste to debris to go through, because we will continuously experience the challenges with the non-return valves and also let's say choking of the piping. So far I see that set of the cleaning equipment I suppose, I keep hope it would work well. We will run it in front of you. We will see how effective is for our home domestic aquariums, because it is absolutely not, let's say, industrial area. We are not for a showroom. This is exactly for our own pleasure, for your own pleasure, and for your environment, to keep it beauty and really happy because of proper water replacement and also sediment removal from the bottom. That device, normally, to be frank with you, I have never used in my life. It is something which allow us to operate through the edge of the aquarium, but everything depends on design of the aquarium cover. In my case, most probably it wouldn't be really useful, just because of my aquarium is quite old style with let's say closed lid on the top. Okay, let's go. Let's see how does it work, and everything in future will come to you. You will be able to decide, do I like it? Should I buy it? Should I change, or should I replace what I use currently? And is it really beneficial exactly for my fishes, not only for a fish of the guy who is going to sell it to you?